Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can join objects in Frecad. So the first thing that you want to do is to just go ahead and create your sketch. In my case, I'm going to be creating it on my XY plane, and it's going to be extremely simple. Click on path, click OK, and now we're good with our first part. So let's click create body. Let's go ahead and click on the top of our layer, create sketch, and let's make a independent copy. Click OK, and then let's just go ahead and draw another very example shape, which is going to be this one. Close, and now let's click path. So what you want to do right after is to just click on your second part, and then from here, so let's just go ahead and move the second body downward just to make sure that it integrates with our first body right here. Click on OK, and what you can do is to right click on the main body, click active body, and then right after we are now going to use the Boolean operator. So let's just go ahead and click on add body. Let's go ahead and select our object, click OK, and then from there we have combined our shapes together. And so guys, that's how simple it is. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.